Couldn't budget.
Budget. My brother accidentally fell on his table saw. Now he's my half brother. You suck.
You still lose the point because you laugh. Yeah, you can't laugh at your own either.
When is a piece of wood made king? When it becomes a ruler.
He wants to laugh. I think the intention should count.
Why do banks hate woodworkers? Because all they ever do is open shavings accounts.
I knew you were going to. Just wait.
Alright.
He's smiling. Does that count? Big smiling.
It's a laugh.
I can't laugh.
A laugh.
Well, I'm gonna look. That counts. That counts.
Keep going.
Okay.
They say the furniture in Denver is very sturdy. Folks from Colorado make a good joint. No pun intended.
What? Did he say that word? Right?
Intended. It's stupid.
Okay. What do you call a piece of wood with nothing to do?
Bored?
What do you call it when you make a piece of wood so shiny you can barely see it? A varnishing act.
A woodworker accidentally sawed off his left hand. The doctor said he will be all right.
It took a second.
Why do woodworkers always get mixed up at the airport? Because they can never find the right plane.
What do you call a tool covered in sriracha that's used to cut wood in half?
What was it? A hot saw.
We said that already. You weren't here. Did you hear about the woodworker who died when he fell into a vat of varnish?
I don't think so.
It was a terrible end, but a beautiful finish.
Oh wow. I want to take 3 minutes. Woodworkers are hard partiers because they're known to have some pretty late nights.
Anyone who doesn't think money grows on trees clearly hasn't bought any lumber lately.
Yeah, it's been up in there in price. But you know, women love me. Trees.
Is that on there? That's awesome.
Alright, I'm gonna say this one again. Sorry. But you know, women love me and trees fear me.
What does a novice woodworker have in common with a constipated woodworker? In the end, both are lucky if they can produce a stool.
Hopefully
It's not fair!
Did you hear about the constipated accountant? He couldn't budget.
Budget!
He had to work it out with a pencil.
Oh.